All right, guys, we're hunting for collection, so I'm going to go through this quick. So we're going to verify that this report, I think it's on like May 2nd or something. I don't know. You can check the dates, but we're going to check for collections. And you're going to see that they're on this report. You can see right here, Bank of America. I think that's Bank of America right there, $5,000. It's $15,000 in collections removed. And we're just going to keep on scrolling down. And these same collections that you see right now are not going to be on the second report. This is SYNCB, TJX, is not on the report that we're going to pull next. This is May 5th, and the 64 points right there. 51 points here. Let's log in. You could see, boom, that's up like my erection. I get excited. I hope you're excited. So you can see collection was removed. Now, what collection was removed? Do you guys remember what collection we removed before? Wells Fargo. See, this was also removed within a week. It took me 1 week to remove this, guys. There's the proof right there. Okay. And there's more proof right there. Okay. This was removed in 1 week. All right. And that's it.